Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on ULEFONE Note 16 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. And now you have to click open. And here you have to select your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can click sign in, or you can click not now again. And you can click turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.